Hello, this is the pouch I have every day with me. I carry this every day. This is my EDC. I have this pouch buy at EDC Test Online. This is the micro zipper pouch, the big micro zipper pouch. We look it in the pouch. I have here a fire maker. No, I smoke not. Now I have a fire maker every day with me. Then I have the multi-tool. This is the Wenger Evolution 81. This have the blade, the very nice blade, and very sharp blade. The nail cleaner. And the something tool to cutting everything. Yes, and Swiss multi-tools you have every day with you. This or this. Yes, I make it back to the multi-tool. This is every day with me, and I have a light with me every day. I have won this at last week. Yes, this is my light. Then I have with me the pen. The pen is the Big Idea Design Mini Bold Action Pen. You can something write with this. I love it, this pen. This make for titanium. This material is the titanium. And here I have a knife, the Fox knife Vulpes 108. This blade is made for M319 steel. The very small blade, now you can cut with this everything. What I have now on it. This is the O knife from O knife making. I have everything for my pen in it to repair it. Then I have here. This is my multi-tool to something to eat. Very nice. Made from titanium. From Ugil Tools. And I have here the I have here the primer from Civivi, the mini primer. And I have here the whistle. I have polished this, and so look it. Yes, it's something I have carry every day with me. If you want see more videos for me in English, tell me this please, and I make other videos for you. I wish you a nice day, and bye bye, your blind EDC Misha.